Hey beauty babes, welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, today I'm here to share with you a quick review and demo of the brand new Unicorn Kisses glitter gels from MBA Cosmetics. I got my hands on 4 of them. I did receive this from the owner. Disclaimer for those who don't already know, I do work for MBA Cosmetics directly for the owner, so I do often get things either before they launch or pretty much right when they launch, and so she did send me 4 of them to try. They are just gorgeous. If you're familiar with me, you know I love glitter. I'm glitter obsessed, and these are just stunning. So I really could not wait to play with them, and I really want to also take the time to film a little demo and my first impressions review on them. That way anybody curious in them might be able to see how they work, hear my thoughts and first impressions on them as well. Now before we move on, I do just want to say really quickly, I am sure I'm going to get some comments here and there from people who want to be mean and say like the glitter gel thing was totally an 80s thing, it doesn't need to make a comeback and things like that. And if you're one of those people, that is totally fine if you think that, but I love glitter and I think this is a cool new product and I'm excited about it. So if you're one of those people, that is totally fine, but please don't feel the need to come on here and be negative, and just try to keep those comments to yourself. So I normally don't feel like the need to make disclaimers, but I feel like this is a product that might get that kind of stuff. And it's okay. This is not for everybody. There are people who absolutely hate glitter and would never want this, and that's okay. But for those who are interested in glitter, who love glitter and just want to learn a little bit more about this product, this video is for you. So I did get 4 shades that I'm going to show you up close now, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them, and I'm going to read the description from the site so you know a little bit more about them. Unicorn Kisses Body Glitter Gel is a chunky, super sparkly body glitter that can be used on the body and hair. We have blended a mix of different sizes of glitter in an aloe vera gel base. Each color blend is unique to MBA Cosmetics. Unicorn Glitter Body Gel can be applied lightly for a sheer all-over sparkle or applied more heavily for a more opaque look. We recommend applying in layers and letting dry in between if a more opaque look is desired. And it says that due to the chunkier size, we do not recommend using this near or around the eyes. Alright, so moving on. I will have a little demo of how I applied the glitter in my hair, and I'm also going to do a little demo putting it on my face just so you guys can see how it adheres over makeup and how it looks. There are some pros and cons to this kind of a product that will probably be more preference based depending on, you know, what you like. But here's some things that I noted as I was using this. I did test these earlier and have a thought, and then I just applied this on my hair right now. And one thing I could say is that I feel like these gels, while they look really cool in the hair, I feel like they're better for the body. And I only say that just because in the hair, you will get quite a bit of fallout depending on how you apply it. Now, if you want to apply it in the roots like I did, I kind of just gave myself some glitter roots, and if you're going to do some kind of style like that, a lot of people usually do space buns or do something like that and really pack on the glitter in the roots. I think if you do it like that, it will be perfectly fine. But I also put some in my hair, kind of just sprinkled throughout, and did that, kind of just layered it in my hair. And when I did that, there was quite a bit of fallout, not from the roots necessarily, but from the glitter that I kind of applied to the strands of my hair. Now this is where it can be kind of a good and a bad thing depending on your preference. Now the reason why I'm getting some fallout is because this gel isn't like your typical hair gel that is usually sticky and leaves your hair feeling crunchy and stiff, and that's, in my opinion, is a good thing. I'm glad that this isn't a sticky gel. I'm glad it isn't a gel that's going to make my hair stiff. I put it in my hair and my hair still feels like my hair. It's still very movable, very natural. But again, like I said, because of that, there is fallout. Like the glitter is going to still be in my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell under these lights or not, but I do have quite a bit of glitter all around my hair, and it looks really, really pretty, but it's not super stuck in there. So I did get quite a bit of fallout all over my sweater here and then on the ground right here. So your best bet if you're going to put it in your hair is either put it in the roots and get it right there because it'll stay there. If you're going to have your hair up in a bun or in space buns or up in a ponytail, I'm sure that would probably do well for it. If you're gonna leave your hair free falling like mine and touch it and stuff like that, you're gonna get it fallout, so you probably don't want to put it in there. Now, like I mentioned earlier, what's really nice about these gels, they're not sticky, they don't make your hair feel dry and crunchy, they're not gonna feel dry, sticky on your skin as well, or either. So I did like a little patch of glitter on my wrist just to see how well it wears, and it wears really well on the skin. It's pretty long lasting. I've had this on for about half an hour, and even if I like rub the glitter, even the chunkier bits doesn't come off. It stays on really, really well. So they work and stick well onto the body even though they're not a very sticky gel. They dry down very comfortable. You don't even really notice it at all. It is very wet once you put it on, and it dries pretty quickly, and then you can layer on some more if you want a more opaque look and for the color of that glitter to really show through. All right, so with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and demo the glitter on my face. I'm gonna I think what I want to do is just kind of like put it around my forehead a little bit, since I kind of framed out my part here with the glitter, and I might even bring it down right here over where I would normally put my highlighter, or where I have my highlighter basically. And I know this says do not get close to the eyes, so definitely use caution, because this does have pretty chunky glitter in it that you probably don't want to get in your eye for sure. So I'm going to demo it right here, and that is kind of near my eyes, but please take precaution in doing this and wearing it yourself. Place it in a place where you feel the most safe for yourself. So I'm gonna apply the Happy Shine glitter, which is a beautiful kind of goldy glitter with holographic chunks of glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. And so I'm just gonna take up, I don't want to get too much, I'm just gonna dab in there like this. Ooh. I haven't put it over makeup yet, so I don't know how it's gonna go. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of patting it on. You get a really more concentrated. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it right here. Oh my goodness, look at that. And I'm gonna just bring it back up to my hairline right here too. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel so magical. This might be a bit much to some people or seem kind of ridiculous, but if you love glitter, you will get it. And I think this kind of thing obviously isn't for every day. It's more to be for fun. Like if you're going out, like a date night, you're going dancing, you really just want to be the focus or the center of attention, have all eyes on you. They will definitely be on you, I'm sure, once the light hits you and you sparkle it up. Okay, so I feel like it's laying down really well over my cheeks here in my highlight area. I don't feel like it's pulling up any makeup at all, but for some reason I feel like up here, and I don't know why, my contour and foundation is breaking up a little bit up here. I don't know, I'm not sure. I know that, weird as it sounds, like the skin up here is slightly different than the skin on your cheeks, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Like I feel like the skin on my forehead is a lot more smoother, where the skin on my cheeks has a little bit more peach fuzz and has like, not more texture, but kind of, so I don't know why, but yeah. As I'm patting it up here, it definitely took away some of my makeup. So that's something to note for you guys. Let me just pull my hair this way. But as far as laying on my cheeks, it looks really good. It hasn't pulled up any makeup at all. And once I tapped it in and the gel has dried, it feels super comfortable. I don't feel it anymore. I'll probably forget that I'm wearing this, and I actually have to go take my son to wrestling practice, so people might look at me like I'm crazy, but you know what? That's okay. Okay, so my final thoughts on these glitter gels are, I think they are amazing for the body, probably the best for the body. They can work in the hair and they will look super magical and pretty, but there will be a ton of fallout unless you have your hair up. They stick really, really well to the body, and they may or may not mess up your makeup depending on where you apply or how your skin is. As you saw, it messed up here but applied perfectly fine up here. On that note, it does recommend not getting near your eyes, so maybe you want to stay clear of your face anyways and just keep it to your body. So that is really up to you to decide. If you did want to wear it on your face, I would go ahead and practice how it's going to look applying over top of makeup before you just put it on if you're going out and you already have your face done. You definitely don't want to mess anything up, so definitely try these, practice with them, see how they're going to work for yourself before you actually go out wearing them. That way you know for sure. So anyways, this is definitely a fun product, definitely something to wear for like an event, a festival, something cool like that, or just on the day you want to feel like a magical unicorn or mermaid. I think they're so beautiful and so much fun. I'm definitely going to keep playing around with them and develop my thoughts further, but so far I think they are super fun. Let me know your thoughts on this product, if you'll be picking up any, and if you do plan to get some or anything else from MBA Cosmetics, you can use my code agapelovedesigns for 15% off. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes.